If you're thinking about replacing your windows, here's a quick guide to help you choose the right type for your home. Double-hung windows are a classic choice. They have upper and lower sashes that move, offering great ventilation. Single-hung windows look similar, but only the bottom sash opens. It's a simple and affordable option. Sliding windows open horizontally along upper and lower tracks, allowing you to open half the window for ventilation. There are a great choice for small spaces in bathrooms. Picture windows don't open at all. These fixed windows are designed to offer wide, unobstructed views and lots of light. Casement windows are hinged on one side and pivot out at the other end, letting in plenty of air. Casement windows are often used in kitchens above the sink because of their easy one-handed operation. Awning windows are hinged at the top and tilt out from the bottom. They're designed to keep the rain out even when the window is open. The right windows can boost comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. Shop online or in-store at Lowe's to find your perfect fit, and check out our expert installation services to get your windows replaced professionally.